And now we can proceed to the creation of our first cartoon. For this purpose, you can use any suitable images, but for the first time, for simplicity, I recommend that you use images that we have specially prepared for this lesson. Visit our portal GenialAnimation.com. Go to Downloads and download the archive Lesson 1 files. There you also can download the distributive of Adobe After Effects, if you do not already have one. Create somewhere on your computer, on the D drive for example, a folder called Lesson 1, and unzip into it the archive you had downloaded. Now run the program After Effects. It will open a blank project. Let's fill it with content. In the File menu, select Import File. This will display the import window. Go there in the folder Lesson 1 you just had created, and select there the image Background TV. Click on Open. Well, you imported Background TV and it appeared in the project window. Similarly, import the next file, which is called Fish A. Now, in the project panel, you have two files, and I think you are already quite familiar with the process of import, and so we can move to the animation. It is the timeline.